Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to unarchive a channel on the WhatsApp app for PC with the latest update. If you've ever archived a chat or a channel and now want to bring it back into your main chat list, it's actually very simple. Just follow along, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your chats. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the app window. You'll see a section labeled Archived. This is where all of your archived chats and channels are stored. Click on that option to open the list. Inside the archived section, you'll see all the conversations and channels you've hidden from the main chat screen. Scroll through until you find the specific channel you want to bring back. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the chat. Now, right-click on the channel. When you right-click, a small menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Unarchive. As soon as you do this, WhatsApp will immediately move that channel out of your archived list and place it back into your main chat window, right alongside your active conversations. That's it really is that simple. By unarchiving, you'll make sure this channel is once again visible every time you open WhatsApp, and you won't need to go digging through the archived section anymore. This is especially helpful if you've archived a channel by mistake, or if a channel you didn't think you needed suddenly becomes active and important again. Remember, you can repeat these same steps anytime for any chat or channel. Just head into your archived chats, right-click, and unarchive. It's fast, easy, and keeps everything organized exactly the way you want it. And there you go. Now you know how to unarchive a channel on WhatsApp for PC with the most recent update.